almighty! What's up, guys? I'm Mark Dohner, and I'm about to take a pop quiz. I have no idea what it's about. I feel huge in this little seat here. So here we go. Here's the topic. Oh, GED. I passed high school, so I didn't have to take well, I have my G. I don't know how that works, but here goes nothing. Always write your name on your paper. You don't want to hand in a test without your name on it. I've done that a couple times, and they don't like that in high school. So here we go. Question number uno. A painter rented a wallpaper steamer at 9 a.m. and returned it at 4 p.m. He paid a total of $28.84. What was the rental cost per hour? So you got 7 hours, and he paid $28. This isn't how you do division, but it's gonna be around the 28.84. Divided by, let's see, 7 times 4 is 28, so it has to be more than $4. So boom, your answer is A, $4.12. 1 for 1, baby. Arrange the following in correct chronological order from oldest to most recent. Okay, wow. This is a Jay-Z album, so that's pretty recent. American Revolution, Modern Democracy, Magna Carta, Roman Republic, Classical Greek Democracy. So I'm gonna start with the Roman Republic, because that seems very old. I'm gonna say Modern Democracy is for sure the most recent. Ooh, American Revolution would be before democracy. And C, Magna Carta, and then Classical Greek Democracy. How'd we do? So I was good on this back end, and I just had a little mix up on the front end. So I have a 1 out of 2 right now, and that's 50%, not good. We're failing this course. Question number 3, locate any errors in this sentence. The Cuban Missile Crisis was averted when Kennedy struck a secret deal with the Soviets. Was averted when struck, no error. I'm gonna go with D, no error, that sounds good. Yeah! 2 for 3, we're rising, baby. The following scenario describes an economic situation. The Mac company produces fedoras. I don't think anybody wears fedoras anymore. It costs $5 to produce a fedora, including raw materials, labor, marketing, and transportation. Mac sells the fedoras for $10 each. Given the above information, the Mac company earns $5 in profit for each fedora it sells. Yeah, right? I mean, if it costs $5 and you sell them for 10, you make $5. That was the most easy question. That's a GED question to pass high school. Which word is the subject of this sentence? According to experts, computers can give us an amazing amount of information about a car. Wow, they have a lot of nouns here. Experts, computers, information, car. According to experts, so that's not the subject. Computers is the answer because that's what we're talking about. B, computers. Ding ding. We're doing good, baby. We're passing high school. Which of the following expressions is equivalent to 3 times 2 plus 5y? Frowny face. 3x plus 5y, 6x plus 5y, 6s plus 15y, 6x plus 15xy. Well, so I know when you do math, you do the parentheses first, right? Oh yeah, okay, okay, so this is, okay, I got this, guys. 3x is x is the value, and then you see you put the times symbol, and then you have parentheses, right? 2 plus 5y. You do 3x times 2, and then 3x times 5y. You got 6x plus 15y, and that is our answer, D. Oh, xy, sorry. Yeah! Math was my strong suit. I took AP Stats. What part of the cell is commonly referred to as the powerhouse of the cell? Nucleus, cytoplasm, Golgi apparatus, mitochondria. The mighty mitochondria is the answer, D. God, I am freaking good and I remember everything from high school. Holy snappers. I did well in high school. I graduated magna cum laude in both high school and college. Thank you very much. Graduated from Ohio University with a bachelor's degree in broadcast journalism in 3 years. You're welcome. What is the probability that one can correctly guess the birth month of a stranger? Complete the fraction by answering for X. Well, there's 12 months, so X equals 12. Wow. I can't believe that this is a high school question. The introduction of the Constitution is called the Bill of Rights, the 13th Amendment, System of Checks and Balances, the Preamble. Ooh, I've heard, the preamble to the Constitution, D. Wow, this is all coming back to me now, you know? It's actually cool, because I don't feel like I learn anymore. Correct this sentence using only one comma. We got support from everyone, but our parents helped us most of all. Ooh, there's two places where I feel like a comma could go. After everyone, after support, after us, after parents. Here's where I'm questioning. I'm questioning, does it go here or here? Because, it's gonna go after everyone. Yeah? Hell yeah. Tides are mostly caused by the rotation of the Earth, moon's pull of gravity on the Earth, sun's pull of gravity on the Earth, the orbit of the Earth. If there's one thing I learned from the movie Bruce Almighty, it's that when he pulled the moon closer, there was a tsunami. So I'm gonna say the moon's pull of gravity on the Earth. Yes! Bruce Almighty! Solve for h, colon, 3 divided by h equals 1/12, okay? This might take me a minute. 9, 15, 36, 12. So h equals 3 divided by h. Oh, wait. Yeah, h, solve for h, okay. Damn, I just said I passed math. You guys are probably gonna cut back to that and be like, oh, I was great at math. Math was my strong suit. I took AP stats. 1/12 times that by 3 is 1/36, so, or is 3 times 36, so h is 36c. I don't know why that was so hard for me. Numbers freak me out. How many degrees make up the four corners of a rectangle? 360, 270, 180, 90. How many degrees make up the four corners? So you have 90 degrees, 90, 90, 90, 90. I guess that would be 360 degrees, yeah? It boggles my mind that these are questions. I thought this was like a second grade test or something. The only one I've gotten wrong, of course, is history, which doesn't matter. Label this ocean that separates North America from Europe on the map below. Well, there's Europe, and there's North America, and I would say that this is the Atlantic Ocean. Am I right or am I right? 14 of them, I got one wrong, and it was history. No one needs to study history, that's just my opinion. It's cool to know where we came from, it's cool to know about the Roman Empire, but you know what? You're not gonna use that when you're in the real world, so I did good. 14 out of 14. And at the end of the day, ladies and gentlemen, a 93%, you gotta know, like I said, straight A student in high school and in college. Nothing short of that. Shout out to Mrs. Dunker, my English teacher in high school. She's a real one. 13 out of 14. 93%, what do we call that in high school? I think that's either an A or an A minus question mark. I don't know. I'm gonna go with A. I just finished the quiz. I aced it as expected. Let me know how you guys did in the comments. I'd love to see which ones you got right and which ones you got wrong. Maybe tell me which one stumped you. And guys, subscribe to MTV, baby.